San Carlos ground, Cessna 1950 Charlie hangars with information hotel, taxi 12 for left closed traffic in the pattern.
Cessna 1950 Charlie San Carlos ground, runway 12 taxi via Mike.
12 via Mike 50 Charlie.
Cessna 2 Bravo number 1 runway 12.
How's the volume for you guys? Test.
A little bit higher for me.
Just confirm you didn't have information hotel, and did you want full stop taxi max or the option?
We'd like the option.
Cessna 50 Charlie, roger, understand the option. Confirm you do have information hotel.
Affirmative.
Cessna 50 Charlie, thank you.
Did he say Mike?
Yes.
Headwind calm, there's just maybe a touch of crosswind there. Whoops, here, this is it, you're here, hard left. Okay, good.
Just getting a little past.
Hard left.
Yeah, I am. There we go.
You'd be so kind as to look at this. We've done starting, we're at warm up, we've done that. We're gonna get close to the run up here.
Okay, throttle 1500. Carb heat.
It's that one, yep.
This one.
Big pull, it's a long one, and this is the carb temp, besides the drop.
Thumbs up. Little drop.
Okay.
Back in. San Carlos Tower, Cessna 1950 Charlie, ready go 12 for left closed traffic.
Cessna 1950 Charlie San Carlos Tower, follow the Cessna departure end in the pattern, runway 12 clear for takeoff.
We'll follow the Cessna, runway 12 clear for takeoff, Cessna 50 Charlie. Clear.
Carb heat's off. Tail coming up.
That's fun.
And then left 10 heading, correct?
Thank you.
Cessna 50 Charlie traffic, Cessna base leg just over Oracle.
50 Charlie traffic in sight, and was that clear to land?
Touch go, clear the
Charlie's number 3, runway 12 clear for the option.
Runway 12 clear for the option, 50 Charlie.
Okay, we're under the flap speed, flaps coming out. Kind of 90 on the downwind and 85 to 90 on base, 80 to 85 turning final, and 75 to 80 over the numbers. I do it more by feel than by big numbers, meaning more by feel than by a hard airspeed that I'm targeting. But this is a little fast and a little high. Props going all the way in. Wind check.
Wind 190 at 9er.
Just carry a couple more miles of airspeed. A little high. A little rusty. Yeah.
Flaps are up.
Thank you. Whoa. You see him?
I do not.
That bird? Bird went by.
236 Papa San Carlos Tower.
Available.
San Carlos Tower, Cessna 50 Charlie. Be advised there's some birds off the departure end of the runway.
Cessna 50 Charlie, roger. In sight, thank you.
Tower 2 Sierra Bravo does not have Cessna traffic in sight.
From Cessna 2 Sierra Bravo, roger. Just join left traffic. Traffic is just midfield down to beam the tower at 600 feet.
Flaps are up.
Okay.
All right, that's better. We can recover from that. I meant the rollout.
Cessna 50 Charlie, fly runway heading, traffic follows, high ahead and to your left to Twin Cessna, joining left downwind, report the traffic in sight.
50 Charlie. Here are the birds.
Cessna 2
Traffic.
Bravo, follow the Cessna. Wings up, turning base.
Forward.
2, runway 12, clear
Go
away.
ahead.
Twin Cessna 712, Sierra Bravo, say again.
Oh, come on.
No, that was just in cockpit, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Roger.
Flops coming up.
Twin Cessna 2, Sierra Bravo, just continue downwind to follow the Cessna. They're extending downwind for departures.
Roger that.
Cessna 2, Sierra Bravo, yeah, the Cessna
Flaps
you're
off.
following inside there.
Thank you. This thing needs a whole lot of nose up pitch, so on touch and goes, it is a real bear because you got to really push.
Tyler, you're going to call 658.
And that's why it tends to get a little porpoising. But
I'll call your base on the
then
just continue downwind. Roger.
you've got a lot of nose up trim, so it's easy to get it off. Okay, you ready to fly?
Sure.
Okay, you have
Okay, just continue downwind. I'm
I
going to
have
have
the
the Twin Cessna turn base behind you, so just continue downwind for now. Cessna 658, turn base and continue. Turning base, 658. Cessna 658, are you looking for the option or full stop taxi back? Would like the
Here's
option,
the
please.
whole flock. That was a good move. You're good to go.
Traffic behind you, turning base is a Twin Cessna. I'll have one departure.
You can
prior to
fly
your
in the
landing
pattern. I'm going to land it.
Roger,
Okay.
traffic is
And we'll do a full stop.
Hi. Tower Cessna 50 Charlie, be advised this will be a full stop.
Cessna 50 Charlie, Roger. Just continue downwind to follow traffic. A Cessna approaching a 1.5 mile final.
50 Charlie, we'll continue downwind and we are looking for the traffic.
There's a little right gust. Nice correction. Very nice. Working on 85 now. 80, 85. Very nice. I'm going to give you a little more nose up trim because it needs it in the flare. All right. I got it.
You have the airplane.
Oh, come on. It was not bad. Hold it off. Stick full back, real active on the rudders. I'm talking out loud for your benefit. Keep flying it till you are tied down.
50 Charlie, turn left taxiway Lima. Hold on Lima, then contact ground point 6.
Left Lima and we'll contact ground point 6, 50 Charlie, thanks Raul.
No problem, good day.
Bombs are up.
Yep, carb heat off.
Traffic not available.
Thank you, darling.
Ground Cessna 1950 Charlie is clearing 30 on Lima, taxi to the Charlie hangars.
Cessna 50, correction 1950 Charlie, San Carlos ground taxi to the parking area via Lima and Mike.
We'll taxi to Charlie hangars by Lima and Mike 50 Charlie.
Now you see the crosswind gear here?
I do.
It's kicked out. Now I got to try to get it to feel it drop into the detent.
Yeah, okay.
So if you take a tight turn fast, it's going to kick out.
Cessna 658 ground.
It's the weirdest thing.